Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to find live stream videos on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. If you scroll through the list, you can observe that few videos are live and few videos are already uploaded. To filter live videos, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Features section, select Live option. As you can see, search results will now only include live videos. Similarly, you can find live stream videos for other search queries. Thank you for watching.